Hello, this is Dr. Arambulo from Asian Hair Restoration Center, and with me is
Mike Cabatuando.
he's here. He's a returning patient, so he will share with us his experience from his first surgery. That was
In August 2023. If you look at my hair dito sa front, talagang kalbo na siya, no? And I'm
so
very happy with the results. As you can see, parang it's very natural.
natural.
And when people
Natural.
see me in the office, right, they see really like amazing results, right? So of course, they said like I look young, younger.
Hindi ka na kita nakilala eh.
And I think here the staff are very caring, right? So it's a group, it's a team according to Doctora, right? So it's not only Doctora but with her team, right? So I feel very safe, and I do have the trust and confidence with Dr. Arambulo's team.
And this time we'll do the crown area. So what you've heard came from straight from the mouth of our returning patient.
Yeah.